Hello guys, welcome to lesson number 3. We will talk about contouring. The contouring is a game of lights and shadows. So let's see all together how to do contouring, how to contour your face. I will show you on my face, of course, because I don't have models right now. So I have an oval, we can say a face with the shape of an oval. But we have to do this check. Just look in front of you, look in a mirror, and check which parts of your face you want to highlight and which part you want to hide. So let's use a cream. This is a contour cream from LA Girl. We're going to use this part, which is the darkest part, to underline the cheekbones. So I will put it under the cheekbones, as you can see. It is useful also to look slimmer in your face, as you can see. Okay, so underline the cheekbones from one side and the other side also. This will help you having cheekbones higher on your face. Also, in my face, I need to delete, we can see that part, because if you look in front, I'm deleting that part under my face, which I hate a lot. And also I need to have my nose look thinner but also smaller. So I will go on sides of the nose and under the nose. Also I need my front to look smaller than what it is. So I will go right near the hair, okay, and work like this. Okay, my face look thinner, smaller, and whatever you want. So we can fix now the cream with the powder. So let's take the powder contour, take some product, and again do the same thing as before, but now we have to fix the cream we put previously. Can you see the difference? Of course, you have to work the product. I'm just exaggerating because I need to show you where to put the product. Okay, same, the nose, both sides of the nose, under the nose. Okay. This is called the game of chiaroscuro, which is the game of lights and shadows I told you before. Okay, you can see the transformation. This is not like Kim Kardashian, but something similar. Then you have to blend. Always blend. The secret of a perfect makeup is blending. More and more. Again and again and again. Can you see it? My face is really different. I like myself right now. I'm blending again because okay, let's take again the cream, and with the yellow side, with the, we can say also with the nude shade, we highlight the part we want to be seen the most. So upper, the cheekbones, the line of the nose, under the sign of the cheekbone, also on the other side, the chin. It's a transformation, guys. You can transform yourself in whoever you want or whatever you want. Same things, just take the powder, the highlighting powder in this case, and fix the cream you put before. This is really easy. Once you find your shape, it will work every time. Okay, let's complete the contouring with blush. On your cheeks, of course. This time is on your cheeks. And okay, we can say this lesson is ended. And I hope you found it interesting. Of course, we will see together something more